Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel! Hello. Today we're going for another surprise birthday party ni Cherry. So gabing-gabi na 6 o'clock. So let's go party. Look what we have here. Oh, bibingkang pinaliki. Yum. There's our food there. So yeah, that's right. Next time. But there's still some. The food. So we're finished eating. Video. It's video. Hello guys, welcome back. Happy birthday. Cherry, happy birthday. Another surprise birthday party.
We can clean that. Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Just throw something. Just throw some happy birthday. Hello. Please like, comment, subscribe. Ate, it's okay for you, Ate? Yes. Hello. From the Philippines, you know. I know. It's not wanted. Wanted. No, hello. So what you're waiting for? Let's gonna sing. So you're not singing, Te? Mine. We're gonna sing.
Ayoko kasi hindi naman ako nakain dyan.
What's on? Hello. Hello. This is Ate Maria. Hello. Thank you for the sewing.
Hirap na. Ay, ito maganda.
Oh, thank you.
Isa, yung dalawa. Oh! White.
We're busy for the leftover, guys. So, hello. And that's hello. Say hello, everyone. Say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Guys, jump.
What are you doing, man?
I'm doing the vlog sideline. Maybe who knows one day, you know? We can earn some peso. Joke.
Yes, some peso.
Oh, no pro. So what are we doing there, guys? Hello, ladies. Hello. What you have there?
Doggy food.
No. Bring home.
Take home.
Take home. Bring home.
Come here na. You bring home.
Let's sing. May I happy Hello. Oh, Bogi Chacha. Wala basta. Singer of the year. Hi. What's that? Miguring. Hello.
You give me one container?
Ready? Yeah, wala nang ibang ano dyan. Happy birthday. Thank you, sponsor. Sponsored by Vicky Bello. Wow, that video.
Picture sa naman ba?
Mine is video. Buka. Picture.
Pagkanta.
Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Wish and blow the candle. Yes.
COVID can't do that.
Yay! Tinitis ko ang lahat ng hirap na kalagayan. Ang pangarap mo'y maawang sa hirap. Kaya kaya makasukan doon sa babing na pagpan. Mula noong binasagan, kalapating mababang lipas. Madali na ikaw ay sabalan, kailan ka nila maintindihan. Madali na ikaw ay sabalan, kailan ka nila maintindihan.
Where's the Magdalena?
Magdalena is in the Philippines.
Hang on! Brianna! Brianna! Come here! She's got a joke for you Filipinos. Where's the microphone?
There.
Yeah, oh, any microphone. Come here. Come here. No, no, you come here. Remember that? Hang on, everyone. Go.
Why does water in the Philippines make you cool?
Why does water in the Philippines make you full? Why does the water in the Philippines make you full?
Wow.
Phil,
Because it's too big.
that's her joke. Right. Too big. She coming up at night in bed, laying in bed saying, why does the water in the Philippines make you full? I don't know. It's too big or an old man. I just cracked up. So I made that joke up now. That's a good one.
You think there's an English book only?
Ito si Magdalena, kaya pa.
You sing ba? I don't
Ako si
know.
Maria Magdalena. Maria Magdalena.
You sing ba yan?
You can read it, I can't read it.
It's okay. Practice makes perfect.
Can you read it?
Perfect is like right?
Yeah, even the nights.
That's the one yours? Living the nights are with That's yours. Isn't it?
Is it? Yeah. I'm not doing it. Who is it?
Yours. It was reserved.
Feeling like I just been you.
big boy?
I'm the. It's right. First
Guys,
the party.
Yeah, karaoke. Cherry's birthday.
It's a surprise birthday party. I think a surprise. Oh, look at this.
Let's do that double chin. Do the double chin.
Oh. I don't know. It's already double chin. Look at the clavage. The clavage. Clavage. You are in heaven. Baby, you're all that I want.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Hey, it's a teddy bear, I can't hear you.
Yes, sir. Very happy birthday. Yay. This song is dedicated to all our friends around the world.
Why don't I have the other song now? Get it going.
Arrive at 7, and please fill school. No time to call you today. In course 11, time is full. Back to the hotel again. I call your number, the line went free. I like to tell you, come to me, and I've been of you since my first dream. Love, I can tell you how I feel. Always somewhere is sure I've been. I'll be back to love you again. Always somewhere is sure I've been. I'll be back to love you again.
What? What handed you that? I didn't want this.
Yes, I told you. I'm not
Ang
there.
chin up mo pa naman ano.
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Three.
Yeah, yeah, hey, Jerry. They took the Reading machine of the technology. And then I understand about you. And children, what will you tell me? Radio, kill the radio. That's what you do this song.
That is perfect. 100
Did you hear the playback?
Look at the score.
That's what it sounds like. You never heard the song? It's like, hey, what's going on? I'm split smash down the world.
We're getting ready for our next program.
I'm not eating fried
Dancing
rice.
competition.
I'm not eating fried rice. I'm not eating fried rice.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
say.
Oh guys, it was a great, good party. So, thank you for watching. Good night. See you on my next vlog. Bye.